Today we are going to look at how to write a product description for your Shopify, Woocommerce, and Store. First, you start with a hook. Use a strong caption in the form of question. Uh, you assure customers that your product is their solution or the product itself fulfills their current interest. What does this mean? It means you start with a hook, like a question. You ask to, in the process of ask them question, you have to reassure them that your products provide solution or fulfills their interests or needs. Going further, you tell them about the benefit of the chosen product or the product you intend to sell, and use strong subheadings or headline for each product feature or solution your product provides. For offer them discount to entice them to buy the product. And five, end with trust badges and a call to action. With all this listed, five important steps and action you need to take, we are going to use a practical example to describe how to write product description for Shopify, WooCommerce, and Store. Looking at this product called the CS Body Bikini IPL 500,000 Billy Flash Depilator Pulses Permanent Laser Epilator Painless for women hair removal home use devices. We are going to see how we're going to write a product description similar to the one you see here, which is fast and soothing skin, reduce skin irritation, 5 gear adjustment, body, uh, whole body hair remover, laser hair remover, safe and painless hair remover. All this product description, I'm going to say I'm going to compress it to a comprehensive and detailed product description. Now let's look at the practical description we are going to write in this video. The practical examples on how to write product description for the body bikini IPL 500,000 flash depilator pulses permanent laser epilator painless for women hair remover home use device. We'll start by saying, are you fed up of using the old method of removing hair that grow on your armpits, your pubic region, and around your body that is not fast, safe, and effective? Then progress further by telling them all is well. If yes, then we have the product for you with safe, fast, and painless hair removal. Now you can have a skin that is soothing and without irritation by using the body bikini IPL 500,000 flash depilator pulse 6 and permanent laser epilator painless for women hair removal home use devices. Now you can also go further by stating that it has multiple functions, like it provides all-round care for your skin. It's also safe to use for your skin compared to other permanent hair removal methods. The newest IPL hair removal technology can ensure your hair removal is safe. However, please use goggles when you use this hair remover device. Say that the components of that product, the newly upgraded 500,000 times pulse, the intense pulse light penetrates deep into the hair follicle, which effectively removes hair. It comes with single flash plus continuous flash, 2 flash modes, 5 level adjustment function that care for every inch of delicate skin, that has a permanent effect that can completely remove excess hair after thorough treatment to enable you achieve permanent hair removal and smooth skin by breaking the hair regeneration cycle. We go further by stating discount. Get yours 50% cheaper today by clicking buy now. Money back guarantee. If you do not like it or don't want it for any reason, we will happily accept and return and refund your money back. So what are you waiting for? Get yours now. Now look at how detailed this product description is. We started by stating the hook. Then from the hook, we progress further by stating that all is well. That we have the solution to your product. Then we went further by stating the description, the features of the product, the components of the product. Then giving them discount and entice the customers to buy. Went further by stating money. Went further by stating trust badges as money bank guarantee, and concludes with a call to action. Get yours now.
If you find this video helpful, please like. Remember to subscribe. notification button to all, so that you can get updated each time we publish a new video. Thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something in this video to decide which product to sell now.